We are vlogging today. This is my games. What should we start? Turboprop Flight Simulator, Rope and Demolish, Minecraft, Marble Race Country, Stickman Party, or Pistol Duel. Marble Race Country? Okay, first let's play that. There's Philippines. There's Philippines. Look. We've got so many countries. Wait, I need to create a map. Sorry about the kids' songs. This is 9, okay? I think this one. Are we ready? Okay, let's go. Play. Oh my god, so many countries. Pick any country. Pakistan? Okay, you're first. No, Ecuador is first. No, Pakistan is first. No, Spain is first. I think Philippines is, my flag is Philippines. Spain is on the lead. Vatican City. To the finish line. Let's look up. Cuba and what? Cuba and something country is stuck on this. So yeah, let's go. Do it again. Okay, 2 times in a row. Okay, go. Pick your country. Argentina. That's Messi. Don't pick Argentina. Armenia is in the lead. Oh no, Argentina. Messi is on the lead. Sorry, you don't have Portugal. Messi Portugal. Ronaldo is here. Messi Portugal. First place. Oh, more. Iran and Venezuela are stuck. Are they here? Philippines is there. Philippines is there in the ads. We going to move on to Stickman Party or Pistol Duel? Pistol Duel? Okay. I've reached up to level 68. Okay. This game. That's right. I'm so like it. Wait a minute. Snake gun. Snake gun. That's alright. Boom. Oh, 2 cannons. Alright. Ouch. That's alright. 2, 3 cannons. Oh my god. Whoa. Boom. I hit it. Oh. You just dodged it. Easy peasy. Boom. 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 I did. Boom. Oh, boom. 2 guns. Easy peasy. Boom. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Boom. Level complete. Oh my god. Mama and baby. The baby's strong. He's not strong. I'm the strongest. Oh my god. I just almost got it. Boom. I just hit him. Oh, I just got. Oh god. Oh my god. AIB like if I summon a black hole, you dodge it or you didn't. I said I dodged it. It's not kind of funny. Oh my god, I just keep dying. You go there. Ouch. Kaboom. Kaboom. Ouch. Ouchie mouchie. If I beat this level, I will. You will get it as you paid it for. You will regret it. Now, let's move on to a new game. Let's go to Rope and Demolish or Stickman Party. If you said Stickman Party, like. If you said Rope Demolish, subscribe. Okay, let's go on to the Stickman Party. Oh, it's like this. Search Minecraft. You already watched that. You know? Thank you for the reward. Let's go to a quick game. Soccer race. Soccer race. Like for race. Subscribe for soccer. So you pick race or soccer? Race, okay. Which one? This map. Meow. I am red. Wow, I am first. Meow. We're only gonna play 3 games. We're only gonna play 3 games. We're only gonna play 3 games. Huntrix 1. I need to change my name. Let's go to menu. Store. To boys. Yeah, boys. Beacon. Okay. Boys. I don't know what is this number. So this is girls. Oh yeah. And brown. Okay. Good one. We're only gonna play 3 games. Remember, I said on 3 games. Let's go to soccer. Beach or normal soccer. Subscribe for normal soccer. And like for full soccer. I don't know why did I say beach. Okay, let's go to beach. Why? Wait. Okay. Don't shoot us. Why? Okay. Gilusot man ba eh. Kwa. Boom. They're fighting. Ambi. I mean, take. Why? Go get him, boys. Oh. Thank you. Shoot. Agay. Ayaw, good shoot. Ayaw, shit. Salamat is thank you. Boom. I got 2 in a row. They're fighting. Tie. Let's go to menu. Now we are gonna play. What? Police chase. Go. Who wants to be wanted? Ouch. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna stay still. Mom. Yay. I'm gonna stay still. Oh my god. Oh my dynamite. Boy winners. Now, let's move on. 2. Rope and demolish. Sorry about this. I know. I don't have ads. Look. You see? Let's go. Like that. Is this my building? Wow. I'm too strong. I think this is too long, guys. It's been 16 out 16 minutes to upgrading. I have some walls. Thank you. Free. Shing. Shing. Why there? I have some strength. Please. I'm not gonna rate it.
Hi kids and parents! Welcome to our channel, English for Kids. Here you will find lots of fun and useful videos for children.
Wow.
We learn new things playfully.
I want strong.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us for more fun videos.
Thank you. Yeah.
Transport and vehicles. Transport and vehicles helps us in cuts to
Okay, I cannot beat this level. I cannot beat this level. So bye guys. It's been 80 minutes. So bye guys. Bye.